Hello everyone and welcome back to SlideUpLift. Today we're learning about the 5 important principles of presentation design. We all know a captivating presentation can significantly impact the outcome, but how do you design slides that grab attention and keep your audience glued to their seats? The answer lies in wielding design principles that create visual cohesion and guide the eye. Let's talk about grids. Grids are invisible frameworks that help you arrange elements on your slides. They act like a blueprint, guaranteeing everything is balanced and organized. Now, there are several powerful grid systems you can leverage. The rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your slide into a tic-tac-toe board with 9 equal squares. The rule of thirds positions key information along the intersecting lines or at the 4 corner points. This creates a natural tension and guides the audience's eye around the slide. The golden ratio. It's a mathematical formula that creates a sense of balance and harmony. Imagine a line segment divided into 2 parts such that the longer part is to the whole length as the shorter part is to the longer part. It's a bit complex, but presentation software often offers pre-built golden ratio layouts. Text and visuals placed along these golden sections create a visually pleasing composition. Symmetry. Symmetry provides a sense of order and formality. Imagine a slide divided down the middle where elements on one side mirror the other. This is great for presentations that need a classic, clean look. However, be cautious not to overdo it, as too much symmetry can feel static. Hierarchy and white space. Hierarchy refers to the weight you assign to different elements. Use font size, colors, placement to indicate what information is most critical. White space or empty areas on your slides is equally important. It allows elements to breathe and prevents your slides from feeling cluttered. Align and repeat. Alignment creates a sense of order and professionalism. Align text boxes, images, and other elements to a common baseline or grid. Repetition involves using consistent design elements like fonts, colors, and shapes throughout your presentation. By incorporating these design principles and utilizing grids, you can transform your presentations from dull to dazzling. Remember, the goal is to create clear, concise, and visually engaging slides that support your message and capture your audience's attention. And if you're looking to take your presentations to the next level, head over to our website for a stunning collection of pre-designed templates that are guaranteed to make you look professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presentation tips from SlideUpLift.